Hello everyone, Hunter back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to tag people on Instagram post. So first of all you need to tap the plus icon, then tap the post.
Hello
Then you have
everyone.
to choose the picture or anything you want. Then simply tap on the next button right top corner on your screen. Then you can see here it's a editing options, and simply tap on the next button. Then you can see here the tag people. So this one is really simple. Then invite or collaborate, you can tap photo to tag people. And who is this? Like I don't have any friends on my Instagram, that's why. But if you like, you can write anything. Then if you type, then you can choose someone. So like for example, okay, I'm just going to choose this one. So actually this way you can tag people, and you can see here like you can tag many people, like you can tap more people here. So once you're done, simply tap here. So actually this way you can once you're done, then simply tap here the tick mark right bottom corner, right top corner. So this way actually you can tag people on your Instagram post.